Before this courtroom even comes to order, understand what's at stake here. This isn't just a routine plea, this is a man already serving serious time, now facing additional prison years for drugs allegedly smuggled inside a correctional facility. The charge? Illegal conveyance of a Schedule I substance, one of the most serious drug classifications under the law. The question isn't just what happened, but why someone with nothing left to lose would risk making everything worse. As this case unfolds, listen closely, because what you're about to hear raises hard questions about justice, desperation, and the limits of the court's power.
Present before the court is Mr. Brooks, right?
Yes.
Represented by Mr. Moss. I assume Mr. Harris is either en route or will be here shortly. And we're here today for a pretrial, but it's my understanding that Mr. Brooks is going to be entering a plea of guilty to illegal conveyance of drugs. And we're going to go forward with a 9-month consecutive sentence. Is that accurately stated, Mr. Moss?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Brooks, how old are you?
42 years old.
How far did you go in school?
I didn't go far, so
Are you able to read and write English?
yeah.
Are you under the influence of drugs or alcohol?
Oh, no, sir.
Are you taking any medications?
Yeah, but it ain't. It's not stopping me from understanding what's going on today.
All right. Are you taking anything that would interfere with your ability to understand what we're doing here today?
No, sir.
Are you a United States citizen?
Yeah.
There's been an agreement that you will receive a 9-month consecutive sentence and also that I'm going to find you indigent for the purposes of paying fines and costs. Other than that, has anybody made any threats, promises, or representations to get you to plead guilty to this against your will?
No, sir.
Mr. Harris, what are the facts?
Your Honor, if this matter had proceeded to trial, the state would show beyond a reasonable doubt, in addition to all allegations in the indictment as to count 1, that on or about February 2nd of 2025, co-defendant conveyed a controlled substance into Lebanon Correctional Institute in Turtle Creek Township, Warren County, Ohio, and passed these drugs to inmate Brooks during a visit. That substance was sent to the lab. It did test as 5-fluoro-ADB, which is a Schedule I controlled substance.
Any on those facts, Mr. Moss?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Brooks, did you hear those facts?
Yeah.
You admit they are true?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand the right you're giving up by entering your plea?
Yes.
Which plea?
Guilty.
Based upon the plea of guilty, I'm going to find you guilty. I think that you've made a knowing, voluntary, and intelligent choice here today, only after you had been fully advised of your constitutional rights, which you waived and rejected here in open court. Any reason not to go into the matter of the sentence today?
No, Your Honor.
We have 0 days of jail time credit, no restitution, right?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Mr. Harris, anything additional from the state?
Your Honor, we just asked that the court adopt the recommendation of the parties of 9 months consecutive to the time he's currently serving.
Mr. Moss?
The same, Your Honor.
This moment right here is critical. Up to now, everything has been procedural rights waived, facts admitted, plea accepted. But what's coming next is the human side of the case. When defendants speak at sentencing, it's often their last chance to be heard, and judges weigh these statements carefully not to relitigate guilt, but to assess responsibility, remorse, and context. What you're about to hear is a man claiming systemic failure, broken family ties, poverty, and even judicial misconduct in a separate case. The key legal reality? None of that changes this conviction. But emotionally, it matters, because it frames the desperation that led to committing a crime inside prison walls. So here's the question for you: does hardship explain behavior, or simply reveal it?
Anything you want to tell me, Mr. Brooks?
I got a rough life, man. You know, like, they gave me 75 years for a charge I really never did. Like, I'm really innocent in it. Like, what I'm currently in jail for, my family left me. My kids don't know me. My baby mothers, they gone, they live their life, they turned their backs on me. I ain't got nobody to, like, I'm not a bad person, you know, but them lawyers be wanting money to get out of jail, and the cases be costing so much. So it's like I'm forced to have to do certain stuff inside the prison, you know, to try to help myself, because I don't have no outside help. You know what I'm saying? And I just want you to see, you know what I mean? Like, it's crazy. Like, I got to go through this type of stuff, you know, but it's just the life I live. Where I come from, low poverty, I mean, it's crazy. But I done grew during this time. I've been locked up since 2015. this the only way I could like get out of jail, like, or is to do stuff like this. You see what I'm saying? And I ain't even that type of guy. Like I don't want to keep making these type of, you know what I'm saying, choices and decisions. But how can I, you know, they disbarred the Lord, I mean the judge that had my case. They threw him off the bench, suspended him. My case still ain't come up. They still ain't, you know what I'm saying? So it's like his name was Daniel Gall, you know, and if you read it up, if you look at it, it's crazy. The same stuff they suspended him for, he did in my case, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, I don't have no help. Do you got anything you think that you could help me, like, on that side? Even though this case don't have nothing to do with these courts, because it's kind of crazy, man. I need some help, man. Because I don't want to make these same choices and decisions again, and then I come right back in front of you. Then you got to be like, what the fuck? You know what I'm saying? But it's like, no disrespect to you. And I appreciate these courts, the prosecutor, this lawyer, you know. But what? I don't want to keep coming, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to keep coming in front of these courts trying to help myself, and I'm bumping my head and making these type of decisions and putting people in trouble. You know, I just want to, I need some help, man.
Here's the problem with that, Mr. Brooks, and it's not that I'm unsympathetic to what you're saying. You know, I have 2 prisons in my jurisdiction, and I've been doing this for almost 20 years now. So I understand that the fact that you come before me in an orange jumpsuit does not automatically mean that you are a bad person or that you're some sort of terrible human being. But I don't have the ability to do anything in your other case.
Right.
I do know the facts and circumstances of Judge Gall, which was terrible, and yeah, he's no longer with the company in Cuyahoga County.
Yeah.
But there's nothing that I can do about that in this case. All I have is what's presented to me in this case. So I do find that a prison sentence, the joint recommended sentence, is appropriate. I'm going to sentence you to 9 months. That's consecutive to the time that you're already doing. I think a consecutive sentence is necessary to properly punish you, to protect the public, and the overall sentence is not disproportionate to the conduct involved here or the danger posed by you. I do find that you're indigent for the purposes of fines and costs. For what it's worth, Mr. Brooks, if you get your other conviction thrown out, you got this case as your only thing.
Yeah.
You know, that's all I can tell you. I can't do anything about your other case.
I appreciate it.
You do have the right to appeal this to the 12th District Court of Appeals in Middletown. If you don't have the funds to hire a lawyer, to obtain a transcript, or to pay the costs, they will all be provided to you at no charge. Okay. Good luck to you, Mr. Brooks.
In the end, the court did exactly what the law allows and nothing more. Mr. Brooks received a 9-month consecutive sentence, meaning this time stacks on top of what he's already serving, not alongside it. The judge acknowledged the defendant's hardship, even recognized misconduct in a separate judicial case, but legally, that history cannot override the facts here. The ruling reinforces a hard truth in criminal law: context may explain choices, but accountability still governs outcomes. This case highlights how prison-based offenses are punished more severely to deter internal drug trafficking and protect institutional safety. Backhand index pointing right. If you found this case as intense and thought-provoking as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns you won't see anywhere else.
All right, thank you, sir.
I will get that stuff.
All right.
Okay, and he's represented by Mr. Bogan. We have Mr. Harris from the prosecutor's office. We are here today for a hearing on the issue of the defendant's competency.